wants to blaze it. Show me. You were trying to cut me off, show me. You know it merges, right? Now you look like an idiot. You look like an idiot. And watch, now I'm gonna lane split ahead of you and end the story. Cause you can't lane split. Ooh, that was a hard shift. Check a lane, man. Let's wipe you from this planet, homie. No, from the streets, homie. How fast are you gonna go, man? How much you gonna speed, homie? You did all that, but we're both here, the same place, homie. How much is you gonna speed, huh? Ooh, a little larger for me, please. Cut. He's gonna blaze it for what though? For what though? That was quiet. For what though? Blaze it for what though? Homie got a GoPro, moto vlogger? Show me the modes, man. Beep papi papi. Trapi, 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 trapi. I'm not saying that just because I want to say it. It's a song that's playing in my mouth right now. This chick who's in this song right now, I don't know what this guy's name is. Busy or something like that. He's Dutch, I think. The chick in this song, man, she would make me act a fool for her, man. I don't know, something about her. She's just so raw, man. I'm not even kidding. Like, she would make me act a fool for like crazy stuff, man. Something about her. This Busy guy puts her in a lot of her videos, from his music videos. Check the music video out. You'll see her. She's just so, not the twins. Nah. Something about her though, man. She just meshes with me so well. Like, we could be the bestest friends, man. Like in the most bad way possible. In a good way though. Trappy, 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 open ho. Yeah, man. Don't make me wait. Don't make me wait. I thought somebody was gonna run the light, that's why I stopped. I don't want a pretty face, I don't want something, something, something. I want you and your beautiful soul. Jesse McCartney, whatever happened to him? Pretty face, anyone to hold, with my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. Real talk, blood talk, young blood, up in the club. Is that someone's foot outside, or is that mirrors broken? Yeah, mirrors broken. I thought it was someone's goddamn foot outside. So apparently this car cut in front of the Honda over there, and they got mad and then wanted to do some dirty swerving, but it didn't do it. This chick right here was about to do some goddamn road rage up in this hoe. Never road rage, man. Show some love. All right, if you didn't get hurt, they didn't get hurt, let it go. What if I broke the bike doing that? That'd be hilarious. On God, that'd be hilarious. On my mom, no. On my daddy, that'd be hilarious. Whatever happened to people saying on God? Some people say on my mama. I'm gonna say on my dad. On my daddy. On daddy. On daddy. Instead of on God, on daddy. I think I'm gonna try saying that. Open home. She listens. Not always, but sometimes she listens. Motorcycle, 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 motorcycle. Squirrel! None of that hell was a motorcycle. But he got greens, I got reds. And I got another red. That's how life is, man. Have your girl, your daughter wear something, man. That is not right. I waved to her, she waved back though. She's nice. That's very sweet of her. But yeah, homie, that's your daughter, man. Don't have her wearing nothing like that, man. We're gonna be riding with him. I think he's coming from work though. I don't want to bother him. Ducati monster. Ducati monster. He's a monster. He has a monster. Ducati monster. Hey son, do you got a monster? Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this feels so good. The cold air on my sweaty body. Yeah. That'd be so cool if they built a gym right here. A huge gym. Oh my god. I let it all go, man. I let it all go. Oh, I let it all go, man. I let it all flow, man. I do some dirty stuff. They were looking at me. The chicas. They like it. They like it. Trappy, what the drums at? Drum. I wanna say drum. That's loud. Okay, let's go to the next level. Jams flow jam pack out of the tea kettle. Baby is simple. If you be an info, I be an info. In the club, the rental, in the beach or the park, it's whatever you're into. I'm the love doctor. By sprung, I got you. I'll melt in your mouth, girl, not in your hands. Take the lollipop. Girl, don't you stop. Go every time you hit. Go until you hit the spot. Oh yeah. I can barely hear it. I want to rap with 50, but I can't hear, man. You ain't never heard it sound like this before, cause I never put it down like this. Soon as I come through the door, she got me pulling on my zipper. It's a race who can get undressed quicker. Is it an ironic how we stones? Have you thinking about that ass after I'm gone? Such a right spot at the right time. Lights on or lights off, she like it from behind. It's either way she whine. Hips in slow-mo, the flow on the grind. No? Homie, I ain't stopping. Triple wet with sweat, then it's on and popping. Campaign, bottle after bottle is gone. So bottle is gone. I don't know. I messed up the words. I'm trying to rap the lyrics. I know the lyrics by heart, okay? Don't even F with me, alright? Candy shop! Candy shop! I know them lyrics. I memorized them lyrics. Okay, I don't know like what. I want to say I know the lyrics at the back of my hand or the back of my butt cheeks, but I want to be more descriptive than that. But overall, I'm just saying I know the lyrics. It's just I'm trying to rap with 50, but the bike is loud, Kakarot, and then I can't tell what they're saying. What I got. If I lower it, then yeah, I can hear it. Keep going until you hit the spot. Ah, damn it, song's over. Oh, she's so smooth. She's so smooth with it. No, I don't want DR. I don't want DR. Pop Smoke, come on, man. Put my kickstand down without even looking, homie. Any of you guys can F with me like that? Oh, yeah. Oh, you're feeling dirty, man. I'm feeling dirty. That's what he's saying. Shake it, shake it. She like the way that I woo. She like the way that I woo. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. If you guys can hear it, I'm gonna have to cut this part out because, you know, copyright. Billie Jean. Kush and DR. I'm ruining all these songs for you guys right now, man. I'm gonna raise the Porsche. I'm gonna get off the bike for a second. I just want to share with you guys the awesomeness that is Kakarot. I'm tired beyond belief. I am sweating in places I never thought sweat could go to, but it's headed there and it's going there. But we always have a cyclist who comes by to ruin the flow. And I always hate that. Always comes by to ruin the flow. share and show you guys the beautiful bike that is Kakarot, baby Kakarot, aka Yamaha R6 2014. We're pulled over because we're taking a break. I gotta hop onto the road, and it's quite a long way home, but we'll make it there. Yeah, sometimes I feel like I take this bike for granted. I've had this bike since 2015. I think I've had this bike since 2015. I've had this bike for what, 7 years now? She's never broke down, and the only time she did break down was because of me. Other than that, this bike's been amazing. I want to do a full long-term review on it, but this bike only has like 7,000 miles on it. I don't know if that counts. Well, I guess it doesn't matter how many miles it has. It matters how long you've had it, right? Or I think it's a mixture of both. But I do want to share this bike with you guys, or my thoughts on this, having this bike for as long as I've had. I love it more than anything. This is my first bike. A lot of you guys keep thinking it's a different bike than the bike that we used to have, the R6 that we used to have. But nah, it's the same exact bike. It's just she went Super Saiyan on us, man. She went Super Saiyan on us. But yeah, a lot's to come. There's so many things that I want to do with these bikes. Having 3 bikes is very tough. There's so many things that I want to do with these bikes. But it's hard, man. It's hard to do it all. It's hard to have and want everything. You can't have your cake and eat it, right? You can't have a big booty and also be able to eat that big booty. It's not possible. But overall, I just want to thank you guys for all the love and the support you guys give me. I've been on and off with this channel. I've been consistent for a very long time, but I think I've been more inconsistent with this channel than consistent. We've seen this channel hit like crazy highs and crazy lows, and just then stay in the lows. I wish I could make better videos, like more consistent videos, but I gotta act like I'm stretching, otherwise the popo is gonna do something to me.